Thinking about buying a home, selling your property, or making a smart real estate investment? Well, the Boise housing market, especially in Canyon County, which includes cities like Nampa, Caldwell, and Middleton, continue to evolve. And if you're not paying attention, you could miss out on key opportunities to buy smart or sell strategically. Welcome to Mikey's monthly market update for April of 2025. This is where we break down the latest trends so you know exactly what's happening in the market right now. And whether you're a buyer looking to move, a seller trying to position your home right, or an investor that is watching for market signals, this is an update for you. I'm Mike Peters with MPRE Boise, and today we're diving into everything you need to know about home prices, inventory shifts, days on market, and the trends shaping real estate in Canyon County heading into the spring season. But before we dive into the numbers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you gain exclusive access to the best strategies for navigating the Boise housing market. These are insights that I share in an unlisted video just for my subscribers. So if you're serious about buying, selling, or investing wisely this year, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. All right, let's start with the median home sold price for March of 2025, which came in at $424,995. That's a 2.19% increase from last month's $415,990. Compared to January's 2024, we're up 5.88%, showing steady progress as we shake off the winter slowdown. And we're also up 6.95% from January of 2023. And even compared to January 2022, we've held flat, just really up 0.2%. From the peak in the market in late May, early June of 2022, when home prices hit $476,382, we're down 10.81% from there. Now, that may seem like a large gap, but it reinforces what we have been seeing for months now. And that's the market has reset. We're now entering a more stable and sustainable phase. Breaking this down further, existing homes continue to lead the way. The median resale price in March was up to $398,000, which is up 1.27% from last month. Compared to January of 2024, we're up 3.27%. And against January of 2023, we've gained a strong 14.82%. Wow. Prices are even 2.01% above January's 2022 levels. And while we're still 6.35% below the peak median of $425,000 late May, early June of 2022, the resale market has shown consistent strength. Buyers are gravitating towards existing homes, and sellers who price realistically are getting solid results. Now let's look at new construction, where the story is just a bit different. The median home sold price in March was sitting at $439,990, which is up 2.27% from February. Year-over-year gains also are encouraging, up 7.95% from January of 2024 and up 7.76% from January of 2023. But when we compare to January of 2022, prices are still down 5.38%. And compared to the peak in late May, early June of 2022, when we were sitting at $549,000, we're still down 19.86%. So what does that mean? That means that builders are still using incentives such as rate buy downs, closing cost assistance, and upgrade packages to move their inventory. Rather than driving prices up aggressively, they're working strategically to keep deals moving without shocking their system. So where does that leave the overall market? Well, Canyon County is showing measured, healthy growth. We're not seeing the kind of rapid appreciation we saw in Ada County this month, but that's not a bad thing. In fact, this kind of steady upward movement without volatility is a good sign that we're in a more balanced environment, meaning there's room for buyers to negotiate, but sellers still have a market that supports fair values. So let's talk about the inventory. Canyon County finished in March with 1,065 active single-family homes, and that includes 452 existing homes and 613 new construction properties. That's a good amount of choice for buyers, but not an overwhelming amount that would push prices down. This kind of inventory growth is healthy, giving buyers options while still supporting values for well-positioned listings. Pending sales remain solid with 805 homes under contract, 301 existing homes, and 504 new builds. And that tells us that there's still strong buyers activity, especially new construction, where incentives are clearly pulling people in. Closed sales in March totaled 392, with 189 resale closings and 188 new construction closings, showing that buyers are following through and sellers are staying realistic on price. The days on market also tells an interesting story. The overall days on market in Canyon County dropped to 52 days, and that's down from 59 last month. But when we break that out, we see that existing homes averaged just 37 days, while new construction averaged 65. Now that's a wide gap, and it speaks to how quickly resales are moving when priced right versus the slower, more deliberate pace of builder closings. And what about those listings that didn't sell? Well, we had 85 canceled listings and 8 expired in March. Those numbers are slightly down from last month, which suggests that some sellers are adjusting their expectations or just exiting from the market if their homes weren't positioned correctly. This is typical behavior as we move into spring, when serious sellers get more competitive and less motivated sellers drop off. So what does this mean for Canyon County real estate? It means that we're not in a volatile market, but we're in a strategic one. Prices are rising at a manageable pace, and buyers have more options but still need to act smart. Sellers can get solid results if they price in line with the market, and builders are still working hard to make deals happen. This is the kind of market that rewards clear thinking and smart decisions, not fear and frenzy. And it gives everyone, buyers, sellers, and investors, a chance to succeed without the roller coaster of the past few years. So if you want access to the best strategies for navigating this market, subscribe now. My video will dive into those tactics exclusively for subscribers. And whether you're looking to buy smart, sell strategically, or invest with confidence, if you find this video helpful, please like it. Please also feel free to share it with someone who you think might need it. And again, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you're constantly in tune with the videos that I do come up with. And if you're thinking about making Canyon County your home, download my free relocation guide. It can be found in the description below, or simply scan the QR code over to my left. It's packed with insights that will help you make the move smooth and smartly. Well, thanks again very much, everybody, for taking the time to watch this video. And of course, if you do have any questions or you're looking to relocate right here to the greater Boise, Idaho area, especially Canyon County, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to assist you in your transaction. Thanks again, everybody. God bless. And I look forward to the day that I call you my neighbor.